Today we're going to be talking about the Consew Premier P2339 RBLH 18-1 machine with a built-in puller system. So this machine is going to be great for doing any types of awnings, binding, things like that, things of that nature. With this machine, we've set the needle gauge up to 5/8 inches for our customers' needs. That can be custom ordered. We can have it set up at any width you would like. We do offer different attachments, like this machine has the puller system built in, so it's integrated with the feet of the machine. When we lift the pressure foot, it's going to lift up. When we hit the reverse button, it's going to lift up so we can feed it forwards or backwards without this hindering the process. We do offer full assembly here at the store, which does include adding any attachments. But this is just a great machine. We're going to have an 18-inch width here and an 8-inch height here. So you're going to have plenty of room to put your big projects under there and do those different things. We're going to have two large bobbins with full rotary hooks. We're also going to have a plate on here that's going to be, you're going to be able to add different attachments to. It has the holes pre-drilled, so if you did want to put a binder attachment on there, you can easily add that without having to drill or tap any holes. We've got the stitch length adjustment here on the machine with a lock, with our reverse. Our bobbin winders here on top of the machine, so we don't have to add any external bobbin winders. It's easily accessible here just by flipping the switch. It'll wind the bobbins while you sew. Also, we're going to have our tension system here, which is going to be very easy to thread. It just lays right into the grooves and comes down to the needle very simple, so it's going to be easy as far as that goes. As far as maintenance for this machine, it's going to be very simple, easy to oil. This machine does have a clutch system, so if you were to hit something hard, knock this machine out of time, it's as easy as just pressing a button and rotating our hand wheel, and it'll lock everything back into time so you'll be ready to go again. I've removed our guards today so I can show you a little bit about our puller system. The puller is connected to the hand wheel of the machine, so as the machine moves, the puller is going to move as well. So that's going to actually rotate this gearbox, which is going to in turn run our puller system. So the puller system is going to be timed with the machine to feed how fast we would like to feed. We can adjust the pressure on it. And right around here on the other side, we're going to have a knob and numbers that corresponds with the numbers on the stitch length of the machine, so we can adjust that to get the same stitch length out of our puller as we do our machine, so there's no puckering. That's going to pull flawlessly. Here we're going to have a motor that's going to lift and lower this puller system as we lift and lower the pressure foot on the machine. We can lift it manually here, but when we engage our reverse or our pressure foot lifter, it's actually going to lift it for us. So it becomes part of the machine and we don't have to worry about what it's doing. It's going to do its own thing while the machine sews, so it's just going to work flawlessly with the machine. Here at Ken's, we're a full service sewing machine shop. We've got people here that will help you answer your questions over the phone. We also install these things ourselves, so if you do need an attachment, we can put the attachment on the machine, test it, sew on it before it leaves here, go into your place of business. We offer delivery and setup as well. You're more than welcome to send us your material and your application, and we can match the machine to your application for you, so you don't have to adjust the way you want to do things. We can get the perfect machine that'll do the things that you want to do.